Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Growth TV. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to build an emergency fund in 2024. We're going to break down why it's crucial and give you actionable steps to build yours from scratch. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. All right, let's break down this whole emergency fund thing. It's more important than you might think. An emergency fund is simply money you set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. These could be anything from medical emergencies to sudden car repairs. Think of it as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when life throws you off balance. Life throws curveballs, and these things usually cost money. Whether it's a job loss, a medical emergency, or an unexpected home repair, these situations can be stressful. Having this money set aside means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans. This can save you from high-interest debt and financial strain. An emergency fund is about having your back, giving you peace of mind knowing you can handle whatever life throws your way. It's not just about money, it's about security and freedom. Let's talk about why having an emergency fund in 2024 is more important than ever. First off, inflation. Things are expensive. Second, the job market is still a bit shaky. Third, interest rates are through the roof. Borrowing money is expensive right now. Having your own money to fall back on saves you money in the long run. Bottom line, 2024 is all about being prepared. An emergency fund is like your financial armor. All right, let's get practical. Setting a savings goal might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step to building your emergency fund is to figure out how much you need to save. This is crucial for financial security. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This range provides a cushion for unexpected events. Start by figuring out your essential monthly expenses. These include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other essentials you absolutely need to cover. Don't forget to include insurance and any recurring bills. Add those up, and that's your baseline. This is the minimum amount you need each month to get by. Now, multiply that number by 3 to 6, and that's your target emergency fund range. This will give you peace of mind knowing you're prepared. Next up, you need a place to stash your cash. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Keep this money separate from your everyday checking account. Look into high-yield savings accounts for better interest rates. In 2024, you can find rates around 4 to 5% APY at online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Capital One 360. Free money is free money, right? One of the easiest ways to build your emergency fund is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Choose a day each month and decide on an amount you're comfortable transferring. Even if it's just $50 or $100, it adds up over time. Apps like Capital and Chime can help you automate your savings even further. Take a close look at your spending habits. It's time to get creative and find ways to save. Are there any areas where you can cut back? Maybe those daily coffee runs or subscription services you rarely use. Consider canceling that gym membership you never use. Instead, opt for home workouts or outdoor activities. Little changes, like cooking at home more often or reducing utility usage, can free up some extra cash for your emergency fund. Explore side hustle options like freelancing. There are numerous platforms where you can offer your skills and services. Online tutoring is another great option. If you have expertise in a subject, you can teach students from around the world. Selling handmade goods online can also be profitable. Turn your hobbies into a source of income by setting up an online store. Even dedicating a few hours a week to a side hustle, like food delivery or ride sharing, can make a significant difference in your savings over time. Every little bit helps and it all adds up. Building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. The most important thing is to be consistent. Even if you can only manage to save a small amount each month, it all adds up over time. Celebrate your wins along the way to keep you motivated. You can do this too. That's it for today's video. Remember, it's not about being rich, it's about being prepared. How are you building your emergency fund this year? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.